So in this Wise app tutorial, I will be showing you how to request money here on Wise. So once the Wise app's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right to where it says payments and then select that. Once you're on the payments tab right here at the top, it says send or request. I want you to go ahead and select request. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select the currency that you want to receive. So if you wanted to receive the amount in US dollars, you would press US dollars, euros, pounds, etc., Canadian dollars. I'll just go ahead and select Canadian dollars because I am in Canada, so I will select Canadian dollars. Once that is done, it'll take a couple seconds to load here, which it is doing slowly and steadily. If I have to catch up with you guys, oh, it actually did not work. I'll just go ahead and press retry to see if it works. If I'm having problems still, I'll cut back with you guys once I have it figured out. Okay, so I actually just changed it to USD, but it does work. So get set up to receive USD. I will guide you through setting up a USD account, etc. So you have to confirm your details. So we're going to go ahead and press continue at the bottom. Once that's done, you have to go through, follow the steps this way, basically set up an account. Once that is done, you're going to be able to request money through different currencies here on the Wise application. So once again, if I were to go back right here, you can then select your currency. After payments right here, select request, and then you guys can request money that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to request money here on Wise. Thanks again for watching. Hope this helps.